This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is a Jahul brand folding bike lock. It's a compact, self-contained unit that incorporates a folding 85cm chain and a lock for securing it. That lock has a disc detainer core with 6 discs inside, and the chain is made of steel plates riveted together. Let me show you how it deploys. First, we unlock it, which releases the orange end of the chain. Then we unwrap the chain from around the central lock housing. Once it is fully unfurled, we can insert the end of the chain back into the housing and lock it up. Now, the rivets tend to be the weak link in designs like this, but I did test the plates and they don't seem to be well hardened here, so this is vulnerable to fairly simple cutting and sawing attacks. As for the core, while it is a disc detainer design that requires specialized tools, there are only 6 discs and no discernible anti-pick features. So this is about as easy to pick as disc detainers get. Let me show you what I mean. The first thing we're going to do is rotate all of those discs as far clockwise as they will go. Then I'm going to get the pick that Bosnian Bill and I made and insert it such that we tension off of disc number 1. Okay, I think we have that placed properly. Let's find disc number 2 and get to picking. Okay, nice click out of 2. 3 is binding. Nice click there. Number 4. 4 seems like it could be loose. Number 5. 5 feels like it's in a gate. 6 is binding. Nice click there. Let's go back to the beginning. And I must have just touched something because this opened up. Okay, folks, as you saw, that was exceptionally easy to open for a disc detainer core. Between that and the poorly hardened plates, I see this as a product to avoid. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.